that we lose early wickets. It was a rash shot from Ahmed Shahzad. I thought, it wasn't really required at the time when he played it. But then again, he's a youngster. Don't forget, he's only 21 and he's very brand new in this arena. So it's not easy sometimes. Heat of the moment, you play silly shots. That's how you learn cricket. And I think he's probably learned some big lesson today that when the team needs you there, you should stay. And about the next match and the next team, we haven't decided anything yet. I can't give you anything about it.
उमर अकमल के बारे में पूछना था कि उसकी इंजरी प्रॉब्लम से ड्रॉप किया गया है या वैसे ही उसे रेस्ट दिया है उमर अकमल?
उसकी 2-3 प्रॉब्लम है. नहीं, उमर अकमल की जो उसकी उंगली का भी प्रॉब्लम है, उसके एंकल का भी प्रॉब्लम था, तो नहीं दो ही प्रॉब्लम.
Waqar, could you, I'm sorry, for the benefit of the cameras, could you just repeat that in English? Sorry.
You found something in it. Yeah.
I know a bit more than I'll let on.
No, the question was about Umar Akmal. He didn't play because he had a problem with his finger. He got hit the other day, and then he twisted his ankle yesterday. So those couple of reasons, that's why he didn't play.
Waqar, being a coach, what would be the strategy do you have in your mind against Australia in the next match? And second one, do you think that the decision, the order of the batting of the Shahid Afridi was good? And if you think it was right, then how you justify it being a coach?
What was the first question, sorry?
Strategy against Australia.
Against Australia, yes. The strategy will be very similar. Try to play 50 over first of all, and if we bat first, pile a big total. That's the key. And then I think when you look at the bowling sides around the world, around the teams, I think we got a fairly good bowling side, and if we can maybe put a handsome total, fairly good total, we stand a good chance of winning that match. And vice versa, if we bowl them out quickly, and then we got a chance of chasing it. And what was the other question now? Look, Shahid Afridi, I don't think he'll be batting at that number in the future unless or until the situation is such that we probably need to push it or maybe look to sort of, up the run rate. That's what we were thinking. That's when he came in. It didn't happen.
Guys, just before we go on, it's 11:30. We've been here for 15 minutes. We're going to have 6 more questions. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's it. We all want to go to bed.
Yes, Waqar, how do you rate yourself, Pakistani team with Australian team, especially after the match Australia and Kenya match?
How do you
rate your team with Australia?
Look, I rate my team the best team in the world. That's if you ask me, personally, I don't think anybody else will say that. Brian wouldn't say that, but I mean,
I would.
But if you ask me, for me, Pakistan team is number 1 without any doubt. All we need to do is just do our best to beat them on the day.
Next question then.
वकार अगला मैच बिलशुबा सारे ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बात कर रहे हैं. आप समझते हैं कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया से जीतने के बाद जहां टीम में कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा वहां आपको या बांग्लादेश या वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ भी खेलने का मौका मिलेगा, तो क्या स्ट्रेटजी होगी? आप पॉजिटिव जाएंगे या मेरा मतलब है कि जिस तरह लास्ट में हमने देखा कि आप जल्दी विकेट गवाते रहे या डिफेंसिव हो गए?
देखिए, आपने दोनों चीज़ें खुद ही कह दी कि जी आप जीत के आपके पास एक ये भी चॉइस है कि आप प्रॉब्ली नंबर 4 टीम के साथ खेलेंगे. वो पता नहीं कौन सी टीम होगी, लेकिन नंबर 4 ऑफ कोर्स जो नंबर 4 होगा उसको मोराल काफ़ी डाउन होगा, तो आपके पास ये भी चॉइस है. दूसरा ये है कि मोमेंटम बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है कि सच अ बिग टीम, वर्ल्ड चैम्पियंस जो आज तक पता नहीं कितने, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी मैचेस, 32-33 मैचेस हो गए, वो अभी तक हारे नहीं है. सो देयर इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी. एक आप जीत के इंशाल्लाह उसको जीत के यू कैन लीव अ मार्क. यू कैन आप अगले मैचेस जो होंगे होपफुली टीमें तो आपसे थोड़ा सा सोच के खेलेंगी.
Could you just repeat that in English, Waqar? Sorry.
Forgot.
It's about the number of matches you're up against Australia.
Yeah, I mean, if there are a couple of way of treating that game to Australia. You know, by winning Australia, I think you'll get the opportunity to go up at the top in your group, and in that way you probably play the number 4 team in the next group. So that will also sort of help. And you know, the bigger thing more than that, I think, is the momentum. And I think also beating the world champions will give us a lot more confidence and a booster. You know, so I think that will make a big difference. That game is important.
Question there, then there, then there, then there. That's
वकार
it.
भाई मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि आप लोग क्वार्टर फाइनल से पहुंच गए, क्या कोई रिजर्वेशन है कि कोई खास टीम से मुकाबला है, कोई भी टीम इसलिए खेल रही किसी कमजोर टीम से मुकाबला हो, क्या चाहेंगे कि मजबूत टीम से मुकाबला ना हो?
नहीं, मेरा नहीं ख्याल ऐसा अभी सोचना चाहिए. आई थिंक इस वक्त तो सिर्फ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट मैच का सोचना चाहिए. उसके बाद आई थिंक अगर आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया से जीत गए, उसके बाद मेरा ख्याल जिस तरीके से आप जीतेंगे अगर इंशाल्लाह, तो आपका मोरल ऐसा होगा कि आई डोंट थिंक आप इतनी फिक्र करेंगे कि आप किसके अगेंस्ट खेल रहे हैं.
वकार, वर्ल्ड कप से पहले आपने जो यहाँ आए थे तो आपने कहा था कि शोएब अख्तर 100% फिट नहीं है, लेकिन बदतदरीज वो इस तरह है. तो अब आप आज का मैच वो नहीं खेले, तो क्या ये हिकमत अमली का हिस्सा था कि उनको रेस्ट दिया गया, या क्या किस तरह आप देखते हैं? आप ये भी चाहते हैं कि वो खेलते रहें ताकि वो रिदम में रहें? तो अब अगला जो मैच है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो आज किस हिकमत अमली के तहत उनको मतलब आपने बाहर किया?
इसके 2 रीज़न्स हैं. आई मीन एक तो ये कि शोएब अख्तर, मैंने हमेशा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में यही कहता हूँ कि शोएब अख्तर अब 23 साल के नहीं हैं. इज़ इन दैट एज फ्रेम के जहाँ पे आसान नहीं होता है इस लेवल पे. तो प्रॉब्ली उनको यूज़ भी तरीके से करना है. और इस मैच में ऑफ कोर्स उन्होंने उनकी जो पिछले मैच की जो बॉलिंग थी वो इतनी कोई आउटस्टैंडिंग नहीं थी. लेकिन एंड ऑल्सो वी गॉट वहाब रियाज जिसने आज बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की है. आई मीन वही मैंने वो पुरानी बात है ना जो आपने पूछी थी कि 11 आए हैं या 15 आए हैं. That's how I explain it.
Waqar, Shoaib Akhtar's fitness?
Yeah, Shoaib Akhtar is no more 22. That's one got to understand that he's in his mid-30s or the other side of the 30s. So we have to really use him in a way. And also, you know, we have to think of Wahab Riaz. He's also another bowler who bowls 145, and he's left armer. He gives us the variety. So I think there are a couple of things. That's why he didn't play this match. And also, you know, we're looking forward to bring the youngsters in, as I always say that.
2 more questions now, Damika, and then that's it.
Pakistan team had to play on RPM Das wicket and Hamdan wicket as well as today Pallegala wicket. How do you feel about this Pallegala wicket compared to the other 2 wickets in Sri Lanka?
Look, I think this is a lovely centre. Overall, the facilities here, the ground, the pitch, I think is one of the best in the country. You know, it's got bounce, it's got good carry. Maybe the one. Maybe a little bit flaw is the you know, day and night games. Sometimes it gets really, you know, wet in the evening, and it gets a little bit difficult for the team, you know, bowling second. Otherwise, I think great facilities, no doubt about it.
Thank you very much for your patience this evening, Waqar. Thank you, everyone.